It's your old buddy Speed the Sauceman here, and I'll tell you what, today we're gonna do some sliders. To start off with, I'm gonna make some Asian slaw here. And for this, what I do is I use our Korean stir-fry barbecue and wing sauce. And then I put a little bit of rice wine vinegar with it, a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of honey, and a little bit of creamy style peanut butter. And you'll find that recipe on our website, theoldcookiesbbq.com. So just look for an Asian slaw dressing recipe. And this will give the slaw a nice flavor to add on top of our pulled pork. So on these, we'll just stack a little bit of our pulled pork. Again, for pulled pork, you can either use bone-in or boneless butts and cook them off. I prefer boneless rib ends, but now I'll just put just a little dab of the Nectar of the Gods Cookies Korean sauce here. Now we'll top that with a little bit of the Asian slaw. And then on top of that one, you can add banana pepper rings. You can add a little mozzarella cheese, a little bit of red onion if you'd like for a little bit of color to it, but just whatever kind of suits your fancy. Then we'll also do another one with pork. We'll just use some more of the pulled pork. And on this one, we're just going to add, again, take your pick of any one of our sauces. I'm going to put a little bit of sweet hickory on these. Again, as I mentioned earlier, you can just put these on an oven-proof platter and put them in an oven and warm them up just a little bit. And this here, we'll sprinkle just a little bit of cheddar cheese on top of it there. And I think I'll just put a kind of a banana pepper ring right there in the center. Now, for the final one, we'll put a little bit of shredded chicken. Now we'll drizzle just a little bit of ranch dressing on top of that. Then on top of that, we'll give it just a little shot of Cookies, Wings, and Things hot sauce. And on top of that one, I'm just going to add a couple of these little onion petals just to give it a little bit of crunch there. And the nice thing about it, you can top them with just whatever suits your fancy. And then we'll throw a little bit of mozzarella cheese on top of that one. Then if we'd like, we can just top that one too. Make it a little pretty and a little more crunch to it with a little bit of banana pepper ring. So there you've got a real easy, simple dish to prepare. So again, you can put them in an oven-proof platter, pop them in an oven for a little bit to warm them up. And remember, smart cookies use cookies.